guys. So I've been having a bit of a sneezy day today, but nothing really. Nothing major. I'm using some Chhinkni just to, because I haven't used it in a while. And it still works. Oh. And yeah. Whoa, I forgot how well that worked. And I haven't really uploaded because of because it's not really allergy season anymore for me. And I haven't really been getting sick, but I'm home alone today, so I thought I could do a bit today. But yeah. Oh, my eyes are streaming right now. I've had a bit of a break using the Chhinkni, but I always forget how powerful it is. Oh. Oh. Oh no, it's stuck. So I'm sorry for not uploading as much as I used to, but yeah, I hope this kind of makes up for it.